I guess lobat na siya. Okay ba? Okay na? Kasi may green pa naman. Yes, ganun. We need to help each other. Diba? Mahina eh. Kasi di pa ako nakakabili. Kasi wala na siyang silbi. Okay na ba? Okay na? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Ayan. Nakakainis yung mic ko. So, baka may mag-sponsor sa akin ng mic. Kasi, hindi na siya maganda. Hello guys, for those who are joining. Hello, grabe yung eyebags ko. But it's fine. Hello guys. Thank you for the likes. Next, Beans. Guys, send me Beans first and I'll do follow back. Okay? So, let's exchange. Send me first, Beans. What do you mean recharge? Pangit. Anong recharge? Send me first before I follow back. Bahala. Send first before I follow back. Okay lang, it's fine. Next time pwede. Kasi magla-live pa naman ako dito. Marami pang time and marami pang beses. So, let's help each other. Hello guys, for those who are joining. Hi. Hello guys. Hi everyone. Hello. Pwede kayo mag-comment, basta wag rude. Because hindi siya Ganda ko nga. Kahit a little bit haggard, but it's fine. Hello guys. If you love my low cut top, just send me a beans. Guys, don't comment rude, okay? Because it's not helping.